We have one full day left on the island. The excitement portion of this ride is over. We're gonna find enjoyment today. Let's go get some coffee. It's my last day on Skiathos, and I'm motivated to squeeze in a few things that might not make it onto most tourist maps, but they'll make my time here feel complete. No matter what's ahead, I'm not missing the skating into the sunrise one more time right here on Skiathos. 8:23. Hey Siri, take me to the Skiathos dog shelter. I know how to get there.
Getting directions to Skiathos dog shelter.
It's 8:24 and it's 21 minutes. They open at 9:30. I love early.
Stomp your feet, jump up and down. Clap your hands and turn around. Bend your knees, touch your toes.
This is what I like. All right, let me tell you where we're going, because it means more to me than just a morning walk. 3 years ago, I came to the Skiathos dog shelter, this quiet sanctuary tucked away in the hills, where if you get there early, you can walk dogs. Well, I met Wilson, a brave little pup who had a leg deformity worked on by some volunteer vets, and then he was adopted into a loving home in England. So I whispered to him, I said, I hope your new owners know how much you were loved while you were here. And it turns out they did, because my video reached them. They made a comment, and occasionally they check in with Wilson. And Wilson has an Instagram page. Wilson's living a pretty good life. But again, 9:30, we're back to that little dog shelter on the hill that you can walk up to the monastery, surrounded by pines and the blue Aegean Sea. Quieter than last time, not as much barking, and as much as I want this experience, no barking is a good thing. It might mean fewer dogs are waiting for homes.
Stomp your feet, jump up and down. Clap your hands and turn around. Bend your knees.
Ada! Hey, baby! Does Ada have a home yet?
Reach out and grab your
Do you know where she's going? England! All right, thank you so much.
down low, too slow. Let's go.
Okay, come on.
Stomp your feet, jump up and down. Clap your hands and turn around. Reach your arms all the way to the sky. Out to the sides like a bird about to fly. Say yeah, do a high five.
I hope your new owners know how much you were loved while you were here.
Too slow. Let's go.
Well, so much for no barking. But I hope every baby finds a loving home. Oh, that was good. That was good. I don't know. I just did a search. I just learned a flight is landing at 11:10 a.m. Let's go see. Look at all the people that are gathering. Everybody knows. I went to a website that had all the plane arrivals and departures. I think it's all about the arrival, right? How low it's going to be. You ready? Athens to Skiathos, Sky Express, AT-76, doing a flyover. You might want to hold your ear. people showed up. Like, it's an event. You can check the arrivals and the departures. Let me tell you about my morning. I definitely went and bought a water. Yes, I bought some good spray oil because I can't. Okay, hold on. Oh my goodness. Who said too late? Come on. Okay, and definitely bought. You know what? Yes, I came back. This was not what I was doing today. It's out of my way. But these donkeys might have never had a cold carrot in their life. I see you, baby. Come on. Look at this. Look what I have for you. Okay? Here, you ready? I know you can't get closer. Here you go. Come here. Tell me what you think about that. By that tree. What do you think about this? Nice? It has been a joy. Hi, baby. Hello. I'm so glad I found donkeys on this island. Thank you. Thank you for making my trip that much better. It's the best. It's the best. I don't know if this is the beach I necessarily wanted, but it can be as quiet and private as anything. Is where we can spend our day. Let's go down. Do you have everything? Let's go. Follow me. My last day on Skiathos wasn't about chasing adventure. I didn't want to search. I just wanted to find. To keep it simple, to feed the donkeys one more time, to stretch out on the beach, and let the day come to me. No rushing, no exploring, just calm moments with a good friend that I'm not gonna see for a while. A quiet goodbye before the next island and the next unknown begins. And before leaving, I wanted to baptize myself in these waters, to absorb as much of Skiathos as I could, and carry a little piece of it with me. I have done what I've set out to do today. I wanted to be here, I did all that. But even the drive back, I'm still gonna get more sun, so I think it's time to end this and find a chicken gyro. Oh yeah.